Hi everybody, this is Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I thought I would do a field trip to the new Dollar Tree that used to be a CVS. I've not been in here, so I don't know what they have. So I'm going to take you along with me and we can see what they have. All right, stay tuned. They have all these different things. Oh, and they have these. I was looking for these a long time ago and couldn't find them. Now they have them. I tell you, all these neat things. They have these little brushes, makeup brushes. Those foot things. Well, at least I know I'll have to come here. Easter stuff. Boxes. Oh, aren't these cute? And a bunny. Bunny, please stop here. Cute. And the candy. These are cute. Cute, pretty yard. Here's the baby section where you can do parties and whatnot, birthday parties, books, coloring books, summer stuff. This is a nice big Dollar Tree. Look at all this stuff. All these little rings. Dolls, puzzles. These are some things I have sold on eBay before. It's pretty good. I just might get some of those and try them again. Nah, maybe not. There's some other things in here I want to look for. Keep my mask on. Oh, I wonder if my grandson has any of these. I don't know. Cards. And they have a bunch of Dr. Seuss stuff here. Look at the Dr. Seuss stuff. Interesting. Here's a craft area. Notes. It's kind of busy in here, so I really feel uncomfortable doing this. Candles. These are neat. Flower candles. Catch Me by the Sea. Catch Me by the Sea. I like that. I'm going to try and go to the ocean more this year. Some more craft paint. Crafting stuff. Picture frames. Oh, look at here. Oh, this is broke. Less the nest. It's broke. Oh, yeah, there's some other ones. This is us. Home. What other ones do they have? Have any different ones? Bless this nest. Thankful. Another thankful. I'm thankful. I like these things. And they have other ones. There. Dream. Give me some ideas. Things down here. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And inside of it, if I can open it, hold on. Kind of hard to do with one hand. It's got like a pencil and paper in there. Nice for notes. All kinds of different ones down here. Look at that. Look at these. They got some nice things for their craft area. They got stickers and wood things, yarn, flower making stuff. Here's the pet stuff, doggy toys, kitty stuff, bath stuff. I guess this is the bath and body area. And nice stuff here. You have scarves and socks and what have you, and all this over here. Found some nice and interesting things so far. Okay, they have all this car supply stuff, night lights. Over here they have the socks. Oh my gosh, I gotta get these for my daughter. She's a Star Trek fan. I don't know how she'd wear them, but these are her two favorites. These right here are her two favorites. Spock and what's his face there. I didn't know they had that stuff here. Wow. Guys, I'm back. I'm back from the Dollar Tree, and I will show you some of the stuff I got from the Dollar Tree, my little Dollar Tree haul. Sorry, that was my first time taking anybody anywhere to look into a store, so I'll be better next time at showing you things. But when I was showing you guys those pictures, I got some. I got this one, Thankful. They're really nice too. I mean, they have a little hook back here, and they're really nice. I think that's a, what is that? Oh, it's a little ladybug. And then I got this one here. It says, bless this nest. I think these are so cute. And I really like those. I think those are the only two I got. Let me see. Yeah, that's the only two pictures I got. Then I got these old trinket dishes. This is Queen Bee. I like these. They're nice and big. I like this one, and I got this one here. This says, you're awesome. Put your rings and stuff in here. I like those. Gotta be careful. They didn't pack them very well at the store. And I had to get another one of these because my other one was gross and nasty. I don't put the red stuff in there that you buy at the store because that's not good for the hummingbirds. I make my own sugar water for them. So it'd be all natural. So they don't get that red dye stuff in there. So I had to get another one of these. This is for me. These I'm going to be reselling on eBay or Mercari, one or the other. It's the same thing with these little trinket dishes. I'm going to put them on eBay or Poshmark, maybe. Well, this has got a little boo-boo here. I don't know. See a little boo-boo there? You think that'd matter? As long as I disclose it, maybe? I don't know. Let me see what other stuff. Oh, when I was showing you guys the socks, I didn't show you the socks very well, but here's what they look like. This is William Shatner. And my oldest daughter loves Star Trek, Star Wars, sci-fi, dinosaurs, history, everything. She was a history major. And, but she's actually met this guy, got her picture taken with him. And she, in Spock, Leonard Nimoy, yeah, this is Leonard Nimoy, this is William Shatner, yeah, I got it right. But, she'll like these socks. They'll keep her feet warm when we have cold weather again. But she likes to collect these things. She's got her picture taken with both these guys and autographed. So I hope she likes these socks. And let's see, what else? Yes. I wish I would have found the glue to these, but I got some of these little eyelashes. These are Natural Doll medium lashes. And these other ones are Natural Doll light lashes. Oh, and last time I bought these, they also had the glue, but they didn't have it this time. This is 100% handmade 3D Fox mink lashes. And then I got these here. They are the Natural Light Wispies. I wish I could have found more of these. And the glue that goes with them. I'll have to go to another Dollar Tree. We got lots of Dollar Trees here. Lots of Dollar Trees. And I got a set of this one stuff that is very good stuff. Very good stuff. And that doesn't go with this batch of stuff. Anyhow, I got this for a kit on eBay or Mercari or even Poshmark. But it is called Bolero. This is Bolero facial toner in cucumber and aloe. I wonder if you can smell it. No, it's sealed. It's sealed. And then I got the face mist in the same scent. Let me see. I gotta see how this smells. Oh, smells pretty good. You could eat it. But I got the face mist, so it can go together. And the facial wipes. There's like 30 wipes in there. 30 face wipes. And little bath bombs to go with it. So all of these will be as a set I'm going to be selling. It's supposed to be really good stuff. Really good. I looked it up and it's a good deal. So I didn't know. So watching some of these here videos on, oh wait a minute, there's one more thing on the cucumber. There's one more thing. It is facial gel hydrator. Or can you see it that way better? Yeah, there you go. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things for the face and bath. These things here, let's see if I can get them all in my hands. These things, they're all going to be in a kit. I think that's good. That was good. And then I got the same stuff in what is the name? of this stuff. Oh, it's watermelon and aloe. Watermelon and aloe cleanser. And face mist to match. And the face towels. Face wipes, facial wipes. All these. And the bath bombs. And the scrub. It's all going to go together. That's another kit of mine. Then I got that Dove stuff that we all got in our Wholesale Ninja boxes. Well, I wanted to add something else Dove to it. So I got these Dove Nourishing Body Care things. I got like 3 of them, so I'm going to do a Dove kit. See how that goes. See if I can get rid of that. And I went to look for some different boxes than what I have for my kits, because some of them don't weigh that much, and I don't want to overcharge anybody because they don't weigh over, well, some of them might weigh over a pound, but the mani-pedi one doesn't weigh over a pound. So I can't really mail it off in that box. I need to find another box to put that in. But I think the facial stuff will go for the in that box fine, and so will the what is it, the other thing, the makeup. I think those 2 will be fine. I'm gonna weigh them just to make sure, but the mani-pedi one I gotta put in another box because it doesn't weigh for what that box is for. But these will, these are gonna go in that box, I hope. We'll see. But that's my little Dollar Tree haul. I know this video isn't very long, but at least it's a little video. Well, it might be a little longer because I did some shots inside the store. I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well in the store, but it was busy and I felt kind of weird talking to myself and showing my phone, you know, and videotaping the stuff. But we'll do another Dollar Tree field trip. We'll do another one maybe next week. I might make it a weekly thing, like every Saturday or so. I'll go to a different Dollar Tree and show you guys around a little bit. Hopefully it won't be so busy, but I got gobs of Dollar Trees around here. I mean, this one was a new one. It used to be a CVS, and I thought we'd have a lot more stuff in it, but it wasn't very stocked. But I think that's what we'll do. We'll do some kind of check out a store every week, and maybe another Dollar Tree somewhere. This one here was in South Daytona. It was a new one, and so I wanted to check it out anyway to see what all they had. So, but if you can't hear me a little bit through some of the video, I'm sorry. I have to wear my mask, and it's kind of hard, and I didn't want people, you know, looking at me like, oh, she's talking to herself. I use my phone, not my video camera, because I didn't want that around and showing, you know. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. I will get better at my little things, but I just wanted to go and do something. And please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button so you'll be notified when I come up with another quirky little video for you guys. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.